Tummies bar. So as you all know that iSlim Flat Tummies is a wonderful weight management support and a bar formulation. As you all know, one of the articles which appeared on the CNBC, it says that malnutrition. I'm not talking about malnutrition, I'm talking about MALL, which means that you have a lot of malls in India even today. People go there to eat a lot of junk food. The food which are majorly containing, no nutrition. It has a lot of processed fat. If such foods are consumed on a regular basis, people are subjecting themselves to something called as malnutrition. Which is the most important thing which comes out of it. So around the world, the companies and the scientists are spending a lot of money in tackling this metabolic issue called as overweight and obesity. So going ahead, friends. So there are 5 important things that you need to know about iSlim Flat Tummies bar. So the first and the foremost thing is low calorie. Our bar is actually called as a partial meal replacement bar, which means that a person has to skip 1 meal in a day and then he or she has to consume this bar. 2 meals in a day should not be skipped. It's only 1 meal in a day. It's a partial meal replacement bar. It contains synergistic actives, which I will be telling you quite shortly. It is also a wonderful weight management supplement. Unlike other protein bars which are available in the market, it is having fiber rich. It is containing a lot of fibers and it is 100% natural based, which means that it does not contain preservatives, pesticides, artificial colors or flavors. Everything which is present in iSlim Flat Tummies bar is 100% natural. So going ahead, friends, overweight and obesity. Whenever you think about this overweight and obesity, this is a metabolic disorder again, which is a combination of various other conditions. As I told you before, diabetes and obesity are like brothers. So diabetes is one of the major contributors. Cardiovascular diseases also play a very important role. Decrease in immunity, increased risk of cancer can happen because of obesity. Osteoarthritis can happen because of obesity. Asthma or respiratory problems can happen. High blood cholesterol. Obviously, the blood contains a lot of bad cholesterol, especially in terms of triglycerides or the LDL. Renal failures can happen. Sleep apnea is also one of the symptoms of obesity. Psychological and emotional effects can also happen because of obesity. Or in fact, by consumption of antidepressants or anxiolytic drugs, people can also have obesity as a side effect. Gout can happen. Low back pain, pregnancy-related defects, especially in pregnant women, liver disease, stroke, and the list continues. Which means that overweight and obesity is not a simple problem. It is a complex issue. Which means that once a person gets overweight or obese, he or she will suffer from complex issues. So you are not only targeting in reducing the weight of the person, but you are trying to protect the body against all the conditions that you are seeing on the screen. That is what is important so far as wellness is concerned, my dear friends. Going ahead, the 3 important ingredients which are present in iSlim Flat Tummies bar include Salacia reticulata, second is Coleus forcecoli, third is sesame seeds. All these 3 are actually known for controlling the blood sugar levels as well as managing the weight. Coleus forcecoli is basically known for reducing the weight. Sesame reduces the bad cholesterol, which is nothing but the LDL and the triglycerides. Along with this, our product also contains the goodness of natural fibers, mainly from the oats fibers and the ragi fibers. So we are using the fiber part from these materials. Our product also contains the goodness of protein concentrates, but in low levels. We have the soy protein and the whey protein, which are responsible for the weight management again. So normally without the protein concentrates, weight management cannot happen. So along with the fibers, proteins also play a very important role in the weight management. It also contains some of the other herbal extracts like the ashwagandha, which is also called as Indian ginseng, and kapikachu, which is nothing but the cow hedge or the velvet bean, which is also present in our eye coffee. These things are known for reducing the stress during the weight management process. So far as a person has, suppose if a person has diabetes, he or she can also be given iSlim Flat Tummies bar because it does not contain sugar. Because as I told you, diabetes and obesity are closely related to each other. So far as blood pressure, either high or low is concerned, one can definitely give iSlim Flat Tummies bar. pregnancy, at least for the first 6 months, if they have no other issues, they can consult their physician. With no issues, they can definitely use it. Even after delivery or during the lactation, it can be used. For the first month, we don't suggest, because the colostrum rich milk, most people do consider this point. They do think that these products can interact with the mother's milk, and the child can also have it. No such things are actually there, but no such interactions have been seen till date. But still, it is always important for the mother to have a discussion with their obstetrician or the pediatrician. Then they can definitely take a call on this. So far as thyroid issues are concerned, definitely Islim flat tummies bar can be given whenever the weight gain is associated with thyroid. Heart diseases, definitely yes. In order to reduce the bad cholesterol levels, one can definitely use this Islim flat tummy.